What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today we are making some delicious hot honey peach chicken wings. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook.